Okay, we're heading to the rugby game. We came into the beer factory bottle shop, and all right, Bula. All right, so we're going to the rugby game. Do you have a team you want to win tonight? Who's your favorite?
Blue Ridge.
All right. So is it going to be a big game? It's already started, yeah, like an hour ago. All right, so we're getting some cocktails, and I'm getting a couple of these Tribe drinks. One for some.
One for the bounty.
Bounty. Oh, there we go. Bounty. Bula. Okay. So are you going to turn into Swanster tonight? Okay. And away we go.